So hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and as you can see we are at a slightly different setup. We are in my editing room. This is where all the magic happens. Most of the magic happens. Generally it's Sheel and Kirtiraj Bhai also who edit our videos. So today we are here for a very special occasion because I have finally purchased a new riding jacket. That's right. What I've gotten is something very special from Rhinox. So special in fact that they have sent me a little play card. अभी मेरे को play card ढूंढना पड़ेगा पहले. And the play card reads, मैं frame में नहीं है रुको, फिर से 2 वाला आ जाएगा. We are thrilled to have completed 10 years of Rhinox, and what an exciting and eventful journey it has been till now. A decade ago we started this journey to win our hearts. बस बहुत हो गया. As you might have figured out, it's one of the two 10th anniversary special edition jackets that Rhinox had released, and I have gotten the better one, I believe, in my opinion. It is the new Rhinox Trident. This is I believe this is India's only domestic leather riding jacket. This has a full grain leather chassis. The shell is entirely leather. You get front and back mesh over here for your ventilation. There is also some mesh over here near your armpits. And one thing that I've noticed about this jacket that I really like is the entire leather bit of it is perforated. It's not direct leather. What that helps with further ventilation, because India is a very tropical climate and it's really difficult to have that sort of circulation in a full leather jacket. In terms of armors, this comes with a Nox back, Nox shoulder and elbow level 2 guards, and comes with power protector in the chest, which is a very good collection of armors in my opinion, because Nox is one of the only in the market that comes with a 5-year warranty, and also Nox is the only few riding armors that are T plus T minus tested. What that means is from minus 20 degrees to plus 40 degrees this armor is going to work perfectly fine. That is its operating temperature, because these are made out of foam, and what happens with foam in very hot or very cold climates is that the polymers inside get hardened and then they might start cracking. If you have noticed with your older riding jacket armors, the armors turn into dust. That is so that should not happen in extreme weather temperatures. Other than that, I really like this jacket. In terms of comfort, it also has according stretch panels on the elbow and on the shoulder blades over here to further help with mobility. And it had all, and also most importantly, it had been 5 years since I got a riding jacket. I had a Rhinox Air GT3 before this. The fitting is the same. I've ordered this jacket online from Rhinox's official website. So given that I knew my size in Rhinox Air GT terms, which was a small, I got a Trident small which fits me perfectly fine. So that's it for the overall experience of this video. I'll be putting a quick clip of me unboxing it, because I got it late yesterday night. I unboxed this because I reached Pune from Mumbai yesterday night and I was very excited to see the jacket. And I'll be adding my full uncut unboxing experience later in this video after this. Other than that, this was my experience. I shall be wearing this jacket and I shall be riding with it soon as the weather gets better. And other than that, ride safe, keep riding hard. Hello guys, welcome back for a new video for PMC, and I don't know if you can see this part. I'm unboxing my new riding jacket, and it's from Rhinox. As you can see here, I am a huge proud fan of Rhinox and the products that they make. And so let's start unboxing my jacket and I shall tell you everything that goes on the way. So after years of planning and figuring out of what jacket that I want to buy, and given my riding style, because I own a RC390 and a Harley Davidson 1050, I decided that I want a street style riding jacket, and this jacket fits my criteria the best. And honestly speaking, this is the first time I'm seeing the jacket in person as well. So with my viewers, this is gonna be my first review of the jacket as well, and this is the first time I'm wearing it and everything. I know my size for Rhinox because I was working at a Rhinox store in Pune, and let's see firsthand, shall we? So this is my brand new Rhinox Trident, the 10th anniversary edition for this jacket. And so in the bag, what I've gotten is I've gotten a cool cover to store this jacket that says 10 years anniversary over here. Also, what I've gotten is I've gotten a plaque that says thank you to purchase this jacket. And now let's get to the jacket itself, shall we? So this is my brand new Rhinox Trident 10th anniversary edition. I believe this is perfectly sized. Let me wear this first time.